5 days ago, without any warning, my shoulder, rotator cuff started aching, and by nighttime I wasn't moving my arm at all and was in excruciating pain, crying and not knowing how to move. I went to the ER in the morning and the orthopedic diagnosed me with frozen shoulder syndrome. Oh, shit, what a name. Honey, you've got frozen shoulder syndrome. I guess your shoulder's frozen. Okay.
Diagnosed.
All right. That was diagnosed. That was pretty good. Took a lot of years. A lot of years at school to figure that one out. No kidding. Well, what causes it, Doc? All right. So yeah. So again, we're going back to the lymph system. I do some castor oil packs on those shoulders of yours and drive that castor oil in and start loosening up, giving some antacid effect in there at the same time. Wrap on those kidneys and adrenals and that lymph system of you guys.
I do have a question about that. A lot of people have come to me and ask about the castor oil packs.
Yeah.
How long per application?
Oh, well, that's a good question. I'd probably keep it on, in her case, probably overnight.
Really?
Yeah, just rub it on, just rub it on and have it overnight. Prescribe steroid injections, I bet. But why is it when someone's prescribing something like that, what are they prescribing steroids for? Antacid. So this tells you that your lymph system, but of course look at your lymph system here. Your lymph is backed up, you're highly acidic, and that's where you're seeing all these diagnoses from. He was shocked. I asked him if I could take my time to evaluate things. He said, I only have a week before my shoulder freezes completely. I decided to take that week to see for myself, and I went home with my terrible pain. Had some devil's claw, covered the shoulder with clay and ginger, had chamomile tea with red clover all day long, and lots of suntan and rest, and my partner massaged and part with castor oil. There she did it. Castor oil and arnica. Good girl. All right, now she's on. I told you I like this woman. I've been doing that for the past 3 days now, and lots of improvements. See, when you get your tools, when you know the tools, you can fix yourself. The pharmaceuticals are not tools, but botanicals and flower essences and your oils, these are all tools. Great tools. Good work, sweetheart. Great work. Now, get up on your lymph system. Here's her actual question. Is there anything specific, food, herbs combo, helping tendons repair or helping calcifications disappear? Fruits, berries, and melons. One more time. Fruits, berries, and melons. Clean that lymph.
Move that lymph.
Then move that lymph. Yeah. You can use the bone formulas when you want to repair or rebuild bone, connective tissue, or tendons, but always go to the cause of the problem first, and the cause of your problem is going to be lymph, 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 lymph. You can see it all over the place. 5 months to a year, my doctor said calcifications never disappear. Well, give me a friggin' break. Lots of calcium oxalates in my urine in the past few years. Just keep doing that. Fruits, berries, and melons. Move the lymph. Get the bowels cleaned up. Get your adrenals up. And all this is going to disappear on you, honey. All this will disappear. Can this frozen shoulder be? Yes, it can be a detox symptom, by the way. That frozen shoulder absolutely can be. Absolutely. You're moving acids out, and Barbara, and that's what you got to do. You're moving acids out, and don't stop it. Get it moving like you're rolling down a hill here. I'll tell you another thing. Work on these neural lymphatics down this back here and around here, or get a vibrator, but have someone work on these clockwise, these neural lymphatics. This will help drain this lymph system out of the shoulder. Work on this kidneys. Get these kidneys filtering, man, because that can't come out totally without doing that as well. Those neural lymphatics ought to help you a lot, especially while you're in pain here.